Right now, the World Sentiment API is showing a notable spike in momentum at plus 0.47, alongside a sentiment score of plus 0.08. What stands out is how this momentum has surged, indicating a significant shift in sentiment compared to the historical baseline. You'll want to pay attention, because such a rise typically suggests a pivotal moment in collective sentiment. Our API returns detailed insights, including semantic clusters, so you can dive deep into the nuances of public opinion. For instance, if you're developing a news aggregation app, you can leverage this data to curate articles that align with this shifting sentiment, providing users with real-time insight into emerging trends. For more details, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.